Hello friends, I am Lakshmikant Kapgate, Assistant Professor, Department of English, S.S. Jaiswal College, Arjuni Morgaon. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you how to add bibliography, how to add references, or how to cite works in your research paper. There are various questions asked my friends that they email me and said how to add reference in our research paper. So today we will have the solution for this. Now let's see. For this, my dear friends, first you go and create a new file. Here in the left section you can see my arrow. So I'm going to create a file. For example, my file name is Bucci ref.bib. This extension is very important. Whenever you create any file to add in your page or in your research paper as a part of bibliography, you need to give extension with the help of these words BIB. So we will create like this. Now my file is ready. So main text is here and the reference file is here. So now we can go to Google Scholar, from where I can take the references. So here is the site of Google Scholar. I will search the papers related to my work. For example, the author name of my author name is Bucci Micheta, and we will see various papers. Now see, there is a long list of the papers. I want to only cite this paper, the second one. So when you go and cite this, you click on this double inverted comma, you can see. So when you click, you will find another page where various styles are given. For example, MLS styles, APS style, Chicago, Howard, Vancouver. So you just click on this BibTeX file. So as you click on this BibTeX files, you can see or you will have another page where the detailed information about that book or the reference is available here. Means the title, article, journal, volume, number, page, year, publishers. So you just copy this entire material and you go to your page, your latex page, where you have created a file, and paste it here. So this is how you need to paste, and then this is the first reference. If you want to add another one, again you go to Google Scholar, again you do the same. For example, let me cite this one. So again I'm going to select the BibTeX. So this is the way. Again you go and paste here. One by one you can paste. For example, let me add 2-3 references so we can have better idea. Again so 3 references I have added. Now see, in my file there are 3 references. One is article, this you can see, Harvey 1990. Second one is article is Ward 1990, and this the third one is in collection King 1991. Now again you go to main text, your processing page. Now I am going to create a bibliography for IEEE journal. So for this I need to change the document class again. So here I will type IEEE tran. So this is the style, or this for this journal I am going to write my paper. So let me click on this recompile page. So the format or the setting or the method which is used for to write paper for this journal, it is automatically changed. Now in this paper I am going to cite some works. So for example, when you cite any work in your paper, so for example this is the abstract, let me cite one work in this sentence. So for this you just type left slash and write cite. So automatically this tag will be appear, and you can see 3 references I have copied from the Google Scholar, all are automatically detected. So you must remember which article you are going to cite in here. So the first article I am going to cite here, the first one, Harvey 1990. So now see, when you cite here like this and try to recompile this page, you will see the result. In the reference page, you can see in the abstract here the page, the paper which we have cited just now, it is given here. Then again the number is not here, so for this again you go down, scroll down, and just after your page give 2 line space like this and type left slash and write bibliography. So here bibliography style. So this is another tag you need to select, bibliography, and in this curly bracket you just type IEEE tran. So this is the style I'm using to add references in my page, in my research paper, and enter. Again you type and write bibliography. So here you will add the file, this one. So my file name is Bucci ref and extension is beef. So now my work is done. So again go and click on the recompile page. Now you will see another thing which has happened. So you can see this, the question mark is replaced with 1, means the number 1 citation is, you can see in this paper, it is automatically added. So here you can see the references, one page or one book or one article which I have cited in the abstract, this is the reference. Again if you want to cite another one like this, suppose here in this, just before this subsection I want to add another, I want to cite another work like this. So click there and type left slash and cite. So in curly bracket you just select the second option. So this is my second work. Again you want to add another reference, or if you want to cite another work, again you click left slash, type cite, select this and the third article which I am going to cite here. So you can see in the abstract section, this is the first one, in the second one this is the second, and this is the third one. Now 3 articles I have cited in this paper. So let's see the result. Automatically you can see the list of the references here. 3 references I have added in this section. You will see the numbering also in this, just before the, you can see the second one and the third one also here. This is the third one. So likewise you can add references in your paper, in your research paper. So this is the best way to add. There may be different style. For example, just I have created a reference file or bibliography file for IEEE. That may be APS style, that may be MLS style, that may be, you know, different style for different journals. So this is how we can add and create our high quality journal or the paper. So thank you.